Hi guys, this is the Eero, the first Wi-Fi system. System because it includes not one but three identical devices, or three Eeros for that matter. You use this first one here as the router to connect to the broadband modem, and the other two connect to the first one either wirelessly or via network cables to extend the Wi-Fi range further. Either way, they all share the same Wi-Fi network, so your Wi-Fi client such as your tablet or your phone can connect to any of them as you walk around the house seamlessly. And either way, this is one of the most expensive Wi-Fi setups on the market, costing some $500 for all three. Or you can get just one for about $200. Now, getting the Eeros here working together wirelessly is the selling point because it's convenient. All you have to do is plug the extra Eeros some 40 feet away from the first one and you are done. There's no need to fumble with the network cables, etc. The setup is easy as long as you have a smartphone. Just run the Eero app, stay next to each Eero and follow a few steps and you are done. Note that you need to register an account with the vendor and you have to give them your phone number too. The devices here are connected to the vendor at all times. Now in my testing, like all rain extenders, when the signal jumps from the first Eero to the second one and then to the device, it suffers from some 50% of efficiency loss, meaning it's become half as fast. And if you want to extend the Wi-Fi coverage further in one direction and let the signal jump from the first Eero to the second Eero to the third Eero and then to your device, it can be 4 times slower by the time it gets to your device. You can daisy chain the Eeros together using network cable because each of the units here have 2 network ports. But that is not convenient anymore because running network cables can be a pain. Oh, by the way, this USB port right here is currently useless. So in short, if you want a quick and easy way to cover your, or if you rather wait for the price to come down before investing in this system, if at all, because actually it's a little bit too slow for my taste. And that's because I'm Dongo and I have a very fast internet at home. How about you?